Good morning everyone. Today we are doing Roomba Rollator. It is made by Drive Devil Bliss. So let's start with the opening of the box. Let's start with the assembly of Roomba Rollator. To start, we have to first fix up the handles, or it is also called brakes. To assemble the brake, first we have to remove these secure angles. So just to remove this, you have to press here this button. Once it's pressed enough, you just have to move it like this. Similarly on the other side. Right? So now we have to attach the handle in these holes, and we can adjust the height of our handbrake as per the requirement. Now let's secure the handbrake. It's secure on one side. Basket is very simple. You just have to pull this handle upward like this, and you will hear a click noise. Basket can bear maximum of 5 kg weight. Now you can see this is a tray. There is this area. We have to fix this area in this rod like this. When it's clicked, that means it's secure now. There is a 1 cup holder as well for the cups, and this tray can bear maximum of 5 kgs. To remove the tray, you simply just have to press these like this, and trays removed. So this is the brake of the rollator. For less time period, you can just simply hold this brake and the rollator will be fixed. But if you want to put a brake for a longer time, you can put the brake handle like this and